Cultivating citrus trees can indeed bring zest and freshness to your garden, as these trees are known for their vibrant fruits and aromatic blossoms. Citrus trees are relatively easy to grow, but they do require proper care and attention to ensure healthy growth and bountiful harvests. Here's a guide to help you get started on cultivating citrus trees in your garden. Choosing the right citrus varieties. Select citrus varieties that are well suited to your climate. Common types include oranges, lemons, limes, grapefruits, and mandarins. Research the specific requirements of each variety to determine which ones are best for your region. Selecting a planting location. Citrus trees require full sunlight for optimal growth and fruit production. Choose a location in your garden that receives at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight per day. Ensure good air circulation to prevent fungal diseases. Trees thrive in well-draining soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH 6-7. If your soil is heavy and poorly draining, consider amending it with organic matter, like compost, to improve drainage. Planting. Plant your citrus tree in a hole that is slightly larger than the root ball. Make sure the tree is planted at the same depth it was in its nursery container. Water the tree thoroughly after planting to settle the soil and remove air pockets. Watering. Citrus trees prefer consistent moisture, but they don't tolerate waterlogged soil. Water deeply and regularly, especially during the growing season. Allow the top inch or two of soil to dry out between waterings. Adjust watering frequency based on weather conditions. Fertilizing. Citrus trees benefit from regular feeding. Use a balanced fertilizer formulated for citrus trees. Apply fertilizer in the spring and again in late summer or early fall. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for application rates. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the tree to help retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Keep the mulch away from the trunk to prevent moisture-related issues. Pruning. Prune your citrus tree to maintain a healthy shape and encourage air circulation. Remove any dead, diseased, or crossing branches. Pruning can also help manage the tree's size and promote fruiting. Protecting from frost. If you live in an area with occasional frost, provide protection for your citrus trees during cold spells. Cover the trees with frost cloth or blankets overnight, and consider using heat sources like outdoor heaters or incandescent lights to provide warmth. Harvesting. Citrus fruits generally ripen in the winter or early spring, depending on the variety. Harvest fruits when they are fully colored and have a good aroma. Gently twist or clip the fruits from the tree to avoid damaging the branches. Remember that cultivating citrus trees is a long-term endeavor, as they can take several years to reach their full fruit-bearing potential. With proper care, your citrus trees can bring beauty, fragrance, and delicious fruits to your garden for years to come.